Hey Apple fans! iOS 26 is bringing game-changing features like live translation for AirPods and seamless Wi-Fi syncing. Ready to level up your iPhone experience? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into Apple's latest iOS 26 bombshells. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman spilled the tea. Apple's iOS 26, set for fall 2025, is packing two epic features kept secret at WWDC: live translation for AirPods and Wi-Fi syncing across devices. These are set to transform how you communicate and connect. Want the details? Keep watching. Imagine chatting with someone in a different language and your AirPods translate in real time. iOS 26's live translation feature makes it happen, turning your AirPods into a communication superpower. Whether you're traveling or connecting globally, this AI-driven tool breaks language barriers instantly. How cool is that for 2025? Say goodbye to annoying public Wi-Fi logins. iOS 26's Wi-Fi syncing lets your Apple devices share a single login, so your iPhone, iPad, and Mac connect seamlessly to the same network. No more typing passwords on every device. This is all about a smoother, faster ecosystem. Ready to ditch the Wi-Fi hassle? Apple's cautious approach, holding these features back from WWDC, shows they're prioritizing polished, ready-to-ship updates after last year's delays. Gurman says expect these in beta or with iOS 26.1 in October or 26.2 in December. These features boost Apple's ecosystem, making your devices smarter and more connected. Is iOS 26 Apple's best update yet? iOS 26's full launch is coming this fall, with live translation and Wi-Fi syncing set to roll out in betas or later updates. Whether you're hyped for real-time chats or seamless Wi-Fi, these features are must-tries. Which ones got you excited? Drop it below. That's the scoop on iOS 26's live translation and Wi-Fi syncing. Are you stoked for AirPods translating your convos, or loving the Wi-Fi sync vibes? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.